Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing like...
Good morning, by the way. And I really want to know how to make it, but we don't have bananas like this in foreign. So is it going to taste the same? So wait, they can't be ripe?
No. If you're ripe, you don't make banana bread. You'll bake.
And then how many? Because you know our bananas
depend on
the amount.
Mm-hmm.
But how do you like
you just
judge it? We couldn't have cooking show. Use your discretion. I feel like any Jamaican person I watch cook is like, I don't know the measurements. I just see and dash.
Banana depend on just you have to go weigh or something, you know, if you don't just so precise. Because it depends on the size of the banana and something else. So we don't go through all those troubles. We just grate a banana, trim part and make.
Oh God! So what did you put? Did you put anything in the water first?
Like a cinnamon. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I use.
So when you put that on to start boiling, you put the cinnamon in there already?
Yeah, cinnamon will be there.
Okay. Talk truth.
And some people, when they after like when you finish grating now, they some people use a little flour in this.
What to thicken it?
That's right. But I use a little cornmeal. I don't.
Oh, you're fancy. You're rich. Because cornmeal is a little bit expensive, yeah? Just a little bit. Consistency. It looks like, I don't know what.
You haven't got grated banana?
No.
When you grate it, now when you blend, it's not the same.
When you blend it?
Mm-hmm. Some people blend it, but it's like you make some kind of last or something.
It doesn't have like the gritty.
Right.
Okay.
The real Jamaican grandma kitchen style.
I'm excited to go back and try this. I've been dying. The banana porridge that I make, it comes in like a already
That's what I tell you. You know, it's not the same.
Yeah.
Just not the same.
I mean, the one that I get, it kind of still tastes the same because I still can taste the grittiness in it. But I'm like, I'd rather be able to make it myself.
That's basically it. You had what you want to have after that, like your nutmeg and your vanilla, whatever milk you choose to sweeten your porridge.
Milk.
I use
I don't make porridge yet from all the days I was born. I don't make porridge.
Condensed milk with I always use milk for whole milk.
So that means I have to get Lasco.
That's what I say. You don't have to. You can choose. But these like porridge taste good. Like the real the real milk powder thing. Yeah, those make better porridge
than actual liquid milk. So you guys learned something new. This is the chef I learned from, one of them. So you know, I have to follow their regime. Oh, I have a mango. Yes.
Now, here's my banana, so I'm trying to get every bit.
Daddy needs a new grater. If anybody wants to send him any wedding gifts, you can send him a grater. He can't take this one into his matrimonial home. Look on it. Hey, this is tribulation.
Yeah.
This is what they was telling you about. Look, all the banana come out with the color of the grater.
Yeah, man, that's a banana. See,
A joke.
You can leave it there for 5 minutes. You're surprised to see how like it get black. Yeah, man.
Maybe natural.
Yeah.
Not ours.
Oh.
Ours not gonna turn color so fast. If it even is gonna turn color. So this is the consistency, guys.
That's supposed to be, yeah. I've never tried it, but me always just say, you know, I should try a thing.
You never made banana bread before, though?
Yeah, but that isn't ripe banana.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're absolutely correct, yeah.
But I always say...
That's a lot of cornmeal.
I always say, but this thing is kind of something, man. Just make up a nice batter and create something.
Skanking, grooving, hallelujah. Skanking, grooving, hey, me jaja, yeah. Skanking, grooving, under pressure, yeah. Skanking, grooving, under the pressures of a life and it up.
So, like, how me gonna know if me add too much water?
Not too much water.
To the banana ratio? It can't be too much at all?
You're not going to make one whole heap of...
No, but I mean, like, if you, like, say you add, like, too less water. Like, you know, like, even with, like, oats, like... I don't know how to explanation it. You know, some people's oats are, like, really watery because they add a lot more water, and then other oats is more thick. So, I'm saying... How you know?
Just don't put too much water. You never make fried and put too much water. It's easier you had a little water.
A little and then add more.
If you see too thick, you had a little water. More than to make this long water something.
Guys, there's only 2 of us that live here. Ask him why there is so much porridge.
Mark, I love banana porridge like crazy.
You hear that, people? My name no call again, you know?
You have Billy. You hear it?
Yup.
That's a great story until you see a banana kind of
Clumpy.
when you just put it in the hot water. So that's it.
Wow, look at that. It looks so beautiful. And nothing went in yet.
So the cinnamon would be there.
Right now. Okay. And how long does it take to cook?
It don't take long.
Like 2 minutes.
15 minutes.
I'm gonna eat in about 15 minutes time. But it don't take my... Wait, you have bread?
No.
Ayo. You have crackers?
Yeah.
Talk to me nice. I'm gonna come on my boy. I got your crackers and porridge. Yes. Nearly mash up Swelly again. Oh, you guys haven't even seen Swelly in the longest time. Swelly a guan, yo. But yo, I just lick up Swelly on the bed. The bed foot. God. Woo. Yo, I'm not feel no pain like that since me get surgery. I swear. Jesus Christ. But Swelly was getting so good, and then I'm gonna mash up Swelly now. Jesus. Today?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited! When are you going up? When Marvia's done? Alright. So Daddy said everything went in now except sugar. So, condensed milk. The Lasco instant milk powder. And nutmeg. Yeah? Did you put more cinnamon in there?
I put some of the black one. I never have the other one.
Oh, okay. Ooh, and he put a little bit more cinnamon in there as well. So he said everything is in there except sugar. At this point, you know, you just make it still go on do its thing with all the extra ingredients that you've added. And then he said you can add sugar to your desired taste. And that's banana porridge. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you guys could only smell it. And it's so thick and nice. Touch root. Yes. Look at the color. I think he's gonna need some more sugar. Well done. This right here, you guys, is a very, very crucial part of living in Jamaica. This right here is everyone's lifeline. Without this, you'll die. Without this, you can't eat, you can't move, you can't sleep, you can't laugh, you can't get mixed up, you can't do nothing. I mean, you can, because your phone still gonna ring if people want to call you, but you know, if you don't have this, if people don't have this, this is when you get the text message them to your phone about, please call me, or you have to go borrow loan, or all of them something there and then pay it back when you put on the next credit on your phone. But yeah, as I said, this is a credit. This is this is everything in Jamaica, as I say. Okay, I mean, I have credit from last night about 10 o'clock. I mean, just I get credit now, and it's about after 9, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So you know, so my aid not good, and as me turn on my phone, the amount of message them will go come through. So I'm gonna put this on and come back. We feel like I'm alive again. Anyways, update. This is the box. I just had to repaint the top because I had cut open the part for the cards to go in. And I'm gonna decorate it. I have this. I'm gonna use this ribbon as well, and then I have the letters for the word cards on it, and I will be done with the card box, and then on to the rest of this stuff. Yep. We're gonna go get the candy for those today. This I'm gonna assemble tomorrow. I need scissors to really finish up doing everything. This is why I'm just stuck right here, because daddy doesn't have scissors and I need scissors. So yeah, but finish up doing what I need to do and then head out on the road. I have to follow Marv to the airport to go pick up a package. I'm so out the I have to follow Marvia down to the airport to go pick up a package. She has to go do her nails. We have to get the candy, and then we're going to Trelawney later on. I'm so excited I get to see my baby cousins. Maybe, because I don't know exactly what daddy's going down there for, and then what time we might reach down there. I'm not sure if they'll still be up, but I have to go check my cousins. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right.
How is your porridge? Can't say no make banana porridge.
Yeah, exactly. It tastes so great. It tastes better than yours, actually.
I would assume so.
One gal, good gal, good. I come to Jamaica, I come learn how to make stew peas. I learn how to make rice and peas. And now I learn how to make banana porridge. We still can't make oats. I'm not eat any other kind of porridge, but breakfast time? All I need now is bananas. I forgot to start by up. That's all go hard because I love my green banana. Daddy, you eat how many porridge?
Yeah.
How you guys like that?
I don't love it. I don't love it, but
comment down below if you guys love how many porridge. That's Sade's favorite.
Because I love porridge.
Lord. That's
oats. I don't like oats.
Oh my gosh. See, oats is like
Oats not to make porridge. We just boil the milk and pour the oats on it and eat it like that. I like oats raw on the raw side.
Okay. Sade loves how many porridge. I'm just like, I can't do it. Like, I can't do it.
I see how
people love it.
Come like people use all rice make porridge.
No, but there's rice porridge.
Yeah, but I don't like rice.
I swear you've had rice porridge. You made rice porridge before.
So, one me not like. Mama used to make it. Man, I just don't think the rice make porridge.
I feel like I don't feel like corn should be in porridge. Like corn, that's dinner. Like I don't want corn in my porridge. Banana or oats, please. Cornmeal,
Cornmeal porridge good.
If I eat cornmeal porridge, like it has to have like loads and loads and loads of sugar till you can see the sugar like in it. I can't.
So you eat porridge, you know.
I can't.
You don't see it, I'm gonna eat it. Sprinkle sugar on it.
So you literally see the outline. Oh my gosh. If I get cornmeal porridge, that's how I eat cornmeal porridge because I can't. But you made me try banana porridge first. I was like, banana porridge? Oh my god. After that, everybody was like, oh my, I don't like banana porridge.
Bulgur porridge?
Never even heard of that. What's that?
It's a cereal.
Bulgur. Oh, like bulgur wheat? Oh. Never had the porridge.
Good. You love that one. If you love banana porridge, you love bulgur porridge.
Okay. Never heard of bulgur porridge though. I know bulgur wheat, but I never heard of porridge.
I don't know if the wheat is the same texture as the bulgur itself that we get.
So bulgur is like what?
It's what it look like now. It's like how the brown rice here look. That's a bulgur look.
And it just mash out. And then it just mashes out.
Yeah, when you cook it, it might have some everything that mashed up, but it's nice. It's not hard like how the corn are hard and nice man.
Because I'm weird. Like with me, like if it's a certain texture, I can't eat it. Like if there's too much textures in it, I can't eat it. I'm very picky like that. But banana porridge is just nice. Trisha like, ew, banana porridge? So are you mad?
Oh, she never hear about it.
She don't like it.
Oh.
But no, who can't talk to me?
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel